Hi everyone, so for today's video we are going to unbox the Bluetooth speaker that I bought from Shopee. So this one is from Edifier Mall, and this is MP260 wireless Bluetooth subwoofer stereo. This is a wooden speaker and I bought this around 2.5 plus the shipping fee, and this is really great. What I like about this product is it has a clock and also an alarm clock, and super duper nice ang sound quality niya, and of course very affordable. So this one is a very nice product, so you must check out na guys. Super nice product.
Wow!
Visit.